Hi team, I just wanted to make this quick recording of everything that we need to do before the end of the semester so that we can complete the semester successfully. This is in the email that I sent you right now. Please check the assessment policy. I've linked it here. Here you'll see the minimum number of required formative grades, although you should already know these because we talk about that when we list all of the assessments we're going to grade. But please remember to meet the minimum number of formative grades per subject and of course one summative grade for partial 2. Also check the semester evaluation schedules. These are very important. These are what's going to guide you to know what you're doing at what time, and it's what's going to guide you for due dates regarding projects. Besides the semester evaluation schedules, we've all worked in Atlas in the key learning activities for our pacing. So make sure that you're checking that pacing constantly so that you know that you're getting to the due date successfully. So you can see due dates here, for example, here, math project due, science project due. This is for 4th grade, language arts, social studies due. Okay, so it shows you that the vast majority of things are due on week 18. Of course, there's some things that can be due on week 19, but it's very important to bear in mind that all grades are due on January 27th. That includes partial 2 grades, the formatives and the summatives, the S1 grades, which is the semester project grade, conducts, all of those are due that time. So please make sure you're checking the schedule and you're following Atlas. Besides that, after the semester exam and semester projects, which will be input in gradebook under the category semester exam 90%. That's very important, okay? So that's the category to input that grade. After you're done with your semester project, it's important for students to complete the semester reflections. Just like last year, they're completing these reflections. However, we've simplified these reflections. You can have your students complete these reflections digitally with this template. So they would complete a reflection for each subject. But you as a teacher, for example, if I'm a math and science teacher, they would just complete one for math and one for science. So they could do one PowerPoint. They can use this template for one PowerPoint, and you would just change this template. You would make a copy for yourself and you would add math here and another slide that says science, just so that you know the template has both Spanish and English in case you want to use it digitally. If you don't want to do digital reflections, I've also created a printout template. So you can have the kids reflect in this printout template as well. Same thing, if I'm a math and science teacher, they'll complete one for math and one for science. And again, this is just describe a learning product you are proud of, or draw an image of this product. What did you learn from this product, and how would you apply this learning to your daily life? That's the reflection kids are going to complete right after their semester projects. This is a grade over from 0 to 10, and it's either complete or incomplete. Okay, so that's important. It's a 0 or a 10, and it will be input into gradebook as semester exam 10% under that category. For language arts teachers, you're also completing, of course, please don't forget, you're completing running records using Literably, and this is during the project. You're taking the kids out to help them complete successful running records using Literably. You're also completing writing prompts. This data on reading level and writing level needs to be input in the common assessment recording sheets that you find in each one of your planning folders. So 5th grade LASS planning or 4th grade LASS planning. For Spanish, you're also completing pruebas de fluidez, comprensión lectora y writing prompt, también escritura. Y hay que subir los datos al Spanish Assessment Recording Sheet, que está dentro del folder de evaluaciones comunes, igual o en 4º grado español o en 5º grado español. Homeroom and Spanish teachers, you need to make sure you're grading students' conduct using this rubric. The conduct is for partial 2. And once you grade it, you need to place it in the conduct grade Excel for 5th grade or for 4th grade by Wednesday, January 25. So let me show you how this looks like. You've already completed P1, partial 1. Now you need to complete partial 2. So the language arts and social studies teachers would use this column. Math and science would use this column. Spanish would use this column. This already has an equation that will calculate the final grade for conduct. It will make an average. And this grade over here is what the homeroom teacher will have to input in PowerSchool. We need a language arts, math, and Spanish teachers to complete the conduct grade by Wednesday, January 25, so that homeroom teachers can input this grade by Friday, January 27. Friday, January 27 is a very important date because all grades for Partial 2 and S1 are due that date. Additionally, you need to send us the comments for this semester by Friday, January 27th. It just needs to be a selection of comments. It's just a few comments that can show us how you're doing these comments so that we can give you feedback. And once you receive this approval and this feedback, you can continue making your comments for all your students so that then by Wednesday, February 1st, you have pasted all comments into Gradebook. Okay, if you have trouble knowing how to paste comments or where they go, ask me. But just know that they need to go within the comment box of S1. So if you're not sure, come and ask me, please. And finally, just make sure that you check what is happening for report card conferences, just so that you know in the schedule for semester evaluations, I've already included when report card week is and kind of the brief overview of a schedule for 4th and 5th. Okay, hopefully that is helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know.